Hello everyone, this is my review of this 3-in-1 charging station. The design is sleek and compact, making it perfect for my bedside table. The magnetic wireless charging feature is incredibly convenient for my iPhone 14, ensuring it aligns perfectly every time. The 15W fast charging capability is impressive. My phone charges quickly, and I love that it supports my Apple Watch, and if I had the AirPods, that as well. The dimmable night light is a thoughtful addition, providing just the right amount of illumination without being too bright. The included 30 West USB-C charger is a nice bonus, ensuring everything powers up efficiently. Overall, this charging station is fantastic for anyone with Apple devices, and I hope this review helps.